tried and I tried. I made different pizza sauces from recipes that I found online, trying to find the right pizza sauce that would coincide with what SOKO'S used to make. I tried using shallots, I tried combinations of cheese, I tried combinations of different sauces and different recipes online, and I could not figure out what that unique taste is of a SOKO'S pizza. I just couldn't do it. So I decided to reach out for some help, a little bit of guidance on what would be in a SOKO'S pizza with the sauce and the cheese. I cannot reveal my contact, but I can tell you that this person showed me the way of how to make the right style pizza. And by him or her showing me the way of how this is done, I realized, could it be that simple? Welcome to Cooking with Richie. I am Chef Richie. I am Chef Ricky. I'm Chef Rick. It doesn't work. Freaking, I am Chef Ricky, and you gotta live with it. So, welcome back. And guess what? I almost threw in the towel on this whole SOKO'S pizza venture. It's been 3 days since I made that last video. I almost removed the video. I'm like, but I can't do this. But guess what? I did do it. I would love to show you the whole process, the whole thing. I'm just gonna show you the part when I make the discovery of the sauce and just making it. With no further ado, let's go. Let's roll it. I am using diced tomatoes, Wisconsin sharp white cheese. This is the ingredient that I was missing. Mint. So using just these 3 items is what makes the SOKO'S pizza. Let's do it. This is batch number 6, which is this with less mint. I know this one's pretty good. Fantastic. That is really good. Too much mint. This one, not ready. Not even close. I could combine the two. I could put this in here and stir it up. That would dilute this. But we'll just see. This is the Italian sauce. Let me try this one. This one is regular Italian spaghetti sauce. Then I put a half a cup of tomato paste in with it, just to kind of thicken it up. This one is just... God, it would be nice if this was it. Holy crap! I did it. Hang on. No freaking way. That heated up with chili. God. No. This was batch number 6. I made this yesterday and I actually forgot that I had this. The recipe is 1 can of Italian sauce. I added a half a can of tomato paste to thicken it up and half a sprig of mint. Try it. This takes me back to SOKO'S pizza. Ready? Let's cook. All right. So I'm done. That's it. I'm waiting for my pizza. Oh, sorry. I'm waiting for my pizza. So today's been a pretty productive day. So whatever. And down. Guess what? Pizza is ready. I can hear it. Listen, ready? Hear that? That crust on the bottom. And that's important to a SOKO'S Pizza because they're pizza ovens. They were huge pizza ovens. And they would take the pizza, they would make it on the thing, and they would slide it in, and the pizza would sit, I don't know if it was metal or stone, but whatever that was sitting on is super hot. And as the pizza was cooking from the top, it was heating on the bottom and toasting the bottom. So you get, when you bite into that SOKO'S Pizza, you get that crunch. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit for this pizza to cool down a little bit. You better be good. Hello, SOKO'S Pizza. I miss you. What slice do you think I'm gonna take? This would be slice 1, slice 2, slice 3, slice 4. Which one do you think I should taste first? Oh, really? 1? Okay. Let's do 1. All right, here we go. Please taste like SOKO'S. This is it. Sparkling spring water. LaCroix. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm Richie, Cooking with Richie. Like and subscribe. God bless you all. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye.